Are all the kids gone? Oh, thank goodness. They're killing me. Well, come on in, buddy. Hey, kids. I'm here to read you guys a storybook.
Get out of here, old man. You smell like Raisin Bran.
Shut up, kid. I'm here to do my community service.
No one even gave you community service.
I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart.
You look like Booby on drugs.
Listen to my story. It's Frog and Toad.
Oh, I like Frog and Toad.
Frog ran up the path to Toad's house. He knocked on the front door. There was no answer. Toad, Toad, shouted Frog. Wake up. It is spring. Blah, said the voice from inside the house. Toad, Toad, cried Frog. The sun is shining.
Holy moly. I think my ears are bleeding from Bear's voice. I really like Frog and Toad. Too bad Bear can't read. Thank you for watching. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Bye!